Food City. Got me a cabbage for 89 cents a pound. I'm gonna make corned beef and cabbage. Oh my gosh. Now I found this online for like $12 a can. So I ordered like 6 of them. So I'm prepared for a while. I had to get some Pepsi for my mom, and it is on sale for $11.99. It's better than the $15 it usually is. I see bacon has went back up. Wow. Just wow. The last time I bought orange juice, it was the Tropicana Premium right there that says $4.69. Last time I bought it, it was like $3, a little over $3, and it was buy one get one free. Those macarons that are $7.99, yeah, they're not that good. And I just got a text saying bring beer, Heineken. Ugh. I'm glad I already have some that I picked up in a Walmart order, because yeah, no. Well, I was watching Southern Frugal Mama the other night, and she made this dish. It was like Japanese barbecue chicken with vegetables. And I'm thinking, no, I'm not going to do that. I was going to do it this weekend, yeah, but no. Now right here, that is 2 pounds of pinto beans, and you can make soup, beans, and cornbread. And for 1-2 people, that would be 5, 6, 7 meals right there. So you never can go wrong with that. I would do that, but yeah, I don't have the time to soak the beans and yeah, anyway, I'll do that sometime. They got strawberries, $3.99 each. That's not too bad. Usually they have them three things for 10. Now blueberries, $5.99. Yeah, that's like way out of here. And the jumbo blueberries, $6.99. That's, yeah, wow. Now I've had lunch from right here a bunch of times, because see, you can get a salad for $4. I mean, that's, yeah. And usually they have like a sandwich, a cookie, a bag of chips, and a little Coke, and a little candy bar or something like that for $5. I will say one thing about the sushi though. Through inflation and everything, it has stayed the same price. You can still do a lot with vermicelli or angel hair pasta, some kind of pasta. You can still do a lot with it and these tomato sauces. Yeah, $2.79. That's not too bad. There's one that is $1.69. Yeah. So yeah, you can make a meal out of that. Okay, and don't come at me because I'm saying hamburger helper, but you know you can really fix these up and make them really good, make them something completely different. Here's one thing to look out for: the buy two, save more. If you're not going to eat it and you know it's going to go to waste, don't buy two. Just go ahead and buy the one. And I tell you, these off-brands are just as good as the Kellogg's. And right here, $1.99 for 20 of them. They work. That's what I use. And right here, now if you go to the Dollar Tree, you can usually, you just have to look. You can find a big box for $1.25 or $1.50 now, I think. But you can do like, it's not Gain, but it smells exactly the same, and it's 120 sheets, which here it's $6.99. It's $1.50. Seriously. Oh my God, I remember when those were dirt cheap. Wow. Let's talk about Earlier today, Diana and I were talking about beef bourguignon that I make, and I usually make it and, bring it to work. I would need 2 of these, and they're $24.27. Yeah, so it's like $50 right there just for the meat. Now, this Paradise Frozen breaded chicken, $4.99. I don't see any here right now, but they usually have chicken patties, and they're huge. And there's a bunch of them in the bag. And you can do a lot with those. You can put them in stuff. You can make them by themselves. It's something good. And they're tasty. Now, I remembered that I used to buy these thinking that, oh yeah, it's a quick thing, it's cheap. But I do not like them in the microwave. Can't stand them. So I have to heat up the oven. And they have to cook for like 45 minutes. So yeah, no. We ain't doing that no more. Beef liver and calf liver. The last time I bought it, it was like $3 for that pack. Yeah, that's just way off. And the cheapest fish sticks are $4.99. And is there even really fish in there? I mean, come on, yeah. This is insane, these prices. I thought prices were going down. I thought inflation was over, that it was conquered, or so was said by, Donald Trump. These are really good. But for $7.49, no. The steamed dumplings are good too, but for $3.79, no. So, okay, that's it. I got Pepsi, I got cabbage, I got some peanuts, and beer. And I'm gonna get some Red Bull. And here they are, 2 for $5.75, so that's not bad. And these little ones, you can get 3 for $5.50. So I saved $6 and something, and my total was $46.23. I saved $6.01. And look what came in the mail today. Yes, Way ordered them. They're so good. Got 60 of these for like $30. And you know what I hate? I hate when people park buggies right next to your car. Yes, I mean, they can't even put them in the little buggy rack. I always walk mine back in. So guys, that's it for me today at Food City.